Hi everybody! Welcome back to our channel. Skincare is essential, but could be demanding and frustrating in our daily routine. Today, we're going to share with you the best skincare routine. Practical and easy, with natural products and homemade tips. Part 1. Cleansing. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. It helps to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin's surface, leaving it fresh and clean. The best way to cleanse your skin naturally is by using honey. Honey is a natural antiseptic and has antibacterial properties, making it perfect for cleansing the skin. Studies have shown reduction in the number of acne-causing bacteria by up to 60%. To use honey as a cleanser, simply apply a small amount to your face, massage it in, and rinse it off with warm water. Part 2. Toning. The next step in our skincare routine. Toning helps to balance the skin's pH levels, which can become disrupted after cleansing. A great natural toner is rose water. It has anti-inflammatory properties and is great for soothing and refreshing the skin. The University of Muenster, Germany, has found that using rose water as a toner can help to reduce redness and inflammation in the skin by up to 55%. To use rose water as a toner, simply soak a cotton pad in the liquid and gently swipe it over your face, neck, and chest. Part 3. Exfoliating. Exfoliating is an important step in any skincare routine. It helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin. A great natural exfoliant is sugar. Sugar is a gentle exfoliant and helps to remove dead skin cells without damaging the skin. In a study conducted by the University of California, it was found that using sugar as an exfoliant can increase skin cell turnover by up to 50%. Simply mix a small amount with honey or olive oil and massage it into your skin in circular motions. Then rinse it off with warm water. In conclusion, incorporating natural products with these homemade tips into your skincare routine is a great way to achieve a healthy and glowing complexion. This way you can easily take care of your skin using natural and effective ingredients. In the part 2 of this video, we will deepen in 2 other critical concepts of a skincare routine best in class: moisturizing and protection. Don't miss it. We hope this video has given you some inspiration and tips on how to achieve your best skin ever. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life wellness tips and practical healthy hacks. Thanks for watching.